You've heard about UAE Free Zones, but how do they actually work today? With over 40 zones across the Emirates, each one with its own rules, benefits, and sectors, it can feel overwhelming. In this episode, we'll break down the current free zone ecosystem, how they operate, what you need to launch, and the key decisions you'll face as a founder. Hi, I'm Richard Kupcher from Safari Star. We've helped hundreds of entrepreneurs build successful companies in the UAE Free Zones. Today, I'll guide you through how free zones operate in 2025, from the structure and benefits to timelines and practical considerations. A free zone is a designated area within the UAE where business rules are specifically designed to attract foreign investors. The concept was born out of a vision to create business-friendly environments that would make the Emirates globally competitive. What makes free zones especially appealing is the ability to retain full ownership of your company, even as a foreigner, something not always possible under mainland rules. There's no personal income tax to worry about, and the company formation process is usually faster and more streamlined compared to other jurisdictions. But not all free zones are the same. Each one is governed by its own authority, which means processes, timelines, and pricing can vary significantly. Some free zones specialize in logistics and international trade, while others are governed towards media, technology, and professional consultancy. The key is to understand the unique profile of each zone and how it aligns with your business model. Although each free zone has its own rules, the overall setup journey tends to follow a common structure. It begins with submitting your essential documents, usually a valid passport copy, a passport-sized photo, your chosen business activity, and the relevant application forms. Once submitted, the Free Zone Authority reviews your application and, if everything is in order, issues your trade license. This part is typically fast. Most licenses are approved within 2 to 5 business days. If you're applying for a visa, the process starts next. You can expect the turnaround to be 10 to 15 working days to complete the medical tests, Emirates ID registration, and to obtain your residency visa. Opening a corporate bank account comes last, and it's often the most variable step. Depending on your business profile and the bank you choose, it could take anywhere between 2 to 6 weeks. It's important to note that your experience will be smoother and faster if your documents are complete and your business activity is clearly defined from the start. And in many free zones, everything can be handled remotely, meaning you can incorporate your company without ever stepping a foot into the UAE. Free zones offer different pricing tiers depending on things like the number of visas included. A zero visa package, for example, is much cheaper. The type of license, commercial, consultancy, media, etc. And add-ons like co-working desks, private offices, or warehouse space. Expect an entry-level package to start from 5,500 to 13,000 dirham per year. Visa packages can range from 15,000 to 20,000 dirhams. Don't forget there are other things to consider, like medical and Emirates ID costs, health insurance, which are mandatory for visa holders, and bank account minimum balance, which typically ranges from 25,000 to 50,000 dirham. Many founders run into similar issues, including submitting documents with inconsistent names or expired IDs, delaying Emirates ID appointments or missing medical tests, assuming your bank account will open automatically, and ignoring license or visa expiry notifications. It is important to always double-check your documents and ensure your personal and business information matches across the systems. Compliance isn't just a box-ticking exercise. It's a foundation for credibility. Banks, landlords, partners, and government entities all assess how reliable your business is. The more organized and compliant you are, the more trust you gain. Key strategies include the following: hiring a qualified accountant or tax advisor, tracking VAT, expenses, and payroll in real time, keeping all your licenses visible and updated, and subscribing to FDA and Ministry of Finance alerts. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found the content useful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future updates on UAE business setup. In our next video, we'll dive into how to choose the best free zone for your business, comparing Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, and more. Whether you're a sole trader or launching a growing team, you'll walk away with clarity. See you in the next video.